Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can remove watermark from Capcut app. So what you're gonna have to do is open the app, and what you're gonna have to do, new project, let's see, add. So as you can see at the end of the picture, right now I'm using a picture. You can also upload a video and add to the Capcut app. So at the end of the video, the picture, you're gonna see right here Capcut. It says Capcut. Then you can add a text or anything. So if you want to remove this watermark, that's what I'm gonna be talking about. If you want to remove this watermark from your picture, maybe or the video you're trying to make, so what you're gonna have to do is just let's see, what you're gonna have to do is go into settings. You're gonna have to turn this setting off. You're gonna have to turn off add default ending. Just turn it off. Discard ending, you're gonna have to discard. So you discard, then creating your project, then click on the picture or the video you add. Then the next step to do is just go to the end of the video or the end of the picture, and you're gonna see there's no watermark. As you can see right here, there's no watermark. So that's all you have to do. You just have to turn the setting off, and when you do that, you're gonna make a video or a picture with no watermark. So that's the only thing you can do. So if you want to add an ending, you're gonna see the watermark again. So the only option how you can get rid of the watermark is remove the ending. Just turn the setting off and remove the ending. So if you're trying to add an ending, you're gonna have the watermark again, as you can see. So you can just click on it, the ending, and delete. So that's the solution, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.